right there. Happy Sunday!
But I'll be on it always, always and
And today, we are getting ready to go to an event, an art event. It's a theme release party for Dear Mama. My friend, she hosts this art exhibition every year, and she showcases a bunch of different artists and different forms of art and art types at this exhibition. I will post clips and pictures in the video here, in here, or whatever, of last year's event that I had went to. And now it is time for the theme release, because that's what this party is. I can't focus, but I thought that this would be good content to bring you guys along with me for the, the process of getting ready. And, I thought it would be good to bring y'all along for the process. But yeah, I thought I would just chime in here with y'all as I'm doing my makeup or whatever, and bring y'all along as far as like the getting ready and stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited. Last year I wasn't able to go because I had work. I had work, so I wasn't able to make the theme release party, but circumstances have changed this year, and now I'll be able to make the party. So I'm excited. I'm excited to go. I've already seen kind of like a sneak peek of like the venue and stuff and what it's gonna look like. So I'm really excited to go. Y'all, I've been trying to get better at it's hard for me to be talking, trying to do my makeup and stuff. This is not no tutorial or nothing, so the angles is gonna be wonky and a little bit off or whatever, but I got a lot of stuff coming up, so I've been trying to like, get this content for y'all and get this content pushed out, because or do y'all know? Oh, hold on, call you back. Okay, hold on, let me push the camera back. The sun is coming out and I'm so happy about that. Okay, check the fit, check the fit, check the fit, check the fit. Okay, cute, right? Super cute. Ignore those dishes in the sink. I don't have time to do those. But yeah, this is the makeup. This is the face. Pretty basic, pretty, pretty, period. I got my little beret on and my baby hairs. I try not to do too much with the makeup because I'm just naturally cute. So I just don't have to do too much. I just like to do a little brow, a little mascara. Let me get the jewelry. Okay. As far as the jewelry goes, I'm gonna wear gold jewelry. I'm not gonna, I really don't have too much jewelry. I really be wanting to have more accessories. I really just be wanting to have more everything. Oh, hold on. Oh no, I lost the bag. Okay. These are the earrings. This is the earrings. Ignore the nails. I'm going to take them off. The plan was to glue them back on, but what happened is I lost one of the nails, and it don't make sense to glue the nails back on, and I'm already missing a nail. But I got the earrings from H&M. You probably won't even be able to see them because my hair is down, and I have the hat on. Speaking of the hair, I love my hair at this length. Shit, if you've been here for a while, or if you checked out some of my older videos, then you know that my locks, I've had my locks for like, this is going on year 4. And yeah, they're pretty long and full and cute. There's some that are broken, but we just style our hair to where nobody really pays attention to that. And what's going on in the back of my fucking head is none of my business. That's none of my business. yeah, I'm really excited. I'm running late, actually. I am late. The party started at 3. It is 6 o'clock. No, it's not 6 o'clock. The party started at 3. It is 3 something. It's 3:07, and it's gonna take me like 20 minutes to get there because I have to drive to the city, to drive from the county to the city, but that's okay. That's why I'm getting ready to leave soon. My best friend was getting ready to come with me, but she no longer has a babysitter, so now she is not coming. I have to get pictures, like dead ass. Like, this outfit is so cute, and it's like I should have did proper planning to get this stuff done sooner. This bracelet I made. Hold on, if it focuses, yeah. Who cares? Whatever. I made the bracelet. I'm also gonna put on this like little brooch, cause that is gonna eat. The brooch is gonna eat, and I had got this from a retreat, a healing retreat. It's 2 dragonflies, a dragonfly healing retreat that my friend Niger, who is also like, you know, hosting this event, hosted. So I'm really excited about that. Tie my shoes. Not tie my shoes. Let me put my buckles on my shoes. I love these shoes. I don't give a flying finnock who don't like the shoes. If you don't like the shoes, then you don't know fashion. Because these are cute. And they were inexpensive. So, this is the period. The brooch. I didn't even think about the brooch. Hold on. I might change where I put the brooch. But the brooch eats. So, let's do a little OTD. The hat came from the berets from Target. Before we started boycotting Target. The top. This is 2 tops. So this top underneath that ties up, I've worn this before. This is from Shein. This blue denim top on top. This is from Forever 21. Bloomers from Forever 21. Tights from Walgreens. Shoes from Shoe Carnival. Socks from Forever 21. So, bam, bam. Bag, Steve Madden. Marshalls. No, TJ Maxx actually. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Bye, I'll see y'all there. Okay. Give me the rundown.
So, you're going to participate in the giveaway for either a free TV, either a free self-care basket, or 2 free tickets to Dear Mama this year.
Okay.
And then I'll give you a ticket.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we're at Dear Mama's theme release party. And we're gonna do a little. We're gonna go upstairs because I already kind of did like a little recording of us down here. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm keeping up. I wish this was my apartment. I don't know. I be wanting to create content, but I just be feeling so odd. So I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm gonna record, but I'm gonna talk to y'all. Okay, I like you.
I used to be like, I ain't gonna lie.
I just be like, oh,
Except like,
we're gonna make vases.
I don't even do that.
I don't know.
I be like,
What am I
look,
supposed to say?
you see it, Clay. What you want me to say? Clay. Baby,
Clay.
Make the base. Let's go. Oh, shoot. So if it's kind of squarey, you can smack it to be more round and organic. If it's already round, you can just kind of start rolling it out. So like, not hot dog thin, a little thicker than that. You can always just kind of keep shaping it. And the best part about it is that with clay, if you don't like what you make, you can literally just smash it and make it over again. That's crazy. Honestly, it would smooth it out just the same. Oh, it's right. Oh, yeah.
Stop it.
Come on, into it.
Things come from a place of me going through a lot of things in my relationship that was very like hard, you know. I have a childhood that I'm very grateful for. You know, I have two loving parents who have done everything, even put me through Howard University, right? And it isn't nothing that they wouldn't do for me to this day. We've been 28, my parents show Smart TV. Olivia!
All right, y'all. So that is it for the event. I know I didn't get a bunch of clips or anything like that, but I mean, I was just really trying to soak in the experience. Dear Mama, coming soon. The theme for Dear Mama is Black women are deserving. Protect Black women always.
Right.
Period.
You see this nigga, but keep talking. I'm sorry. You look and you look great. You look great. I'm sorry. I got overwhelmed with the greatness. Say it again.
I will have details coming soon about when the art exhibition will be. So stay tuned because this is going to be an event that you don't want to miss. We're going to have a lot of interactive art going on and a lot of beautiful pieces to see from a lot of local artists within St. Louis. So stay tuned. Dear Mama coming soon. That's a wrap. And if you like this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.